Cubing any two-digit numbers. Cube the first digit, 3, so that is 27. And then square the first digit, 3 squared, 9 times 2, 18. So we write 18. Then square the second digit, 2 squared, 4 times 3, 12. And then cube the last digit, 2, 8. And then double the middle numbers. This will become 24 and 36. And then add. Bring down 8. 12 plus 24, 36, we write 6, carry 3. 18 plus 36, that is 54, plus 3, 57, so we write 7, carry 5. 27 plus 5, that is 32. So the answer is 32,768. Cubing numbers beginning with 1. Copy the digits 1, 3, then 3 squared, 9, then 3 cubed, 27. And then double the middle digits, times 2, times 2, 3 times 2, that is 6, 9 times 2, 18. Then add. Bring down the last digit, 7, and then carry 2 to the next number. So, 9 plus 18, 27 plus 2, 29. So, we write 9, carry 2 to the next digit. So, 3 plus 6, 9 plus 2, 11. Write 1, carry 1. So, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So, the answer is 2,197. Cubing numbers ending in 1. Cube 4, that is 64. Then square 4, 16. Then copy 4 and copy 1. And then double the middle numbers. 4 times 2, 8. 16 times 2, 32. And then add. Bring down 1. 4 plus 8, 12. Write 2, carry 1. 16 plus 32, that is 48 plus 1, 49. So we write 9, carry 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Then bring down 6. So the answer is 68,921. Cubing same digit numbers. So cube 2 4 times. 8, 8, 8, 8. So it is 4. Then double the middle numbers. 8 times 2, 16. 16. And then add. Bring down 8. 8 plus 16, 24. Write 4, carry 2. 2 plus 8, 10. Plus 16, 26. Write 6, carry 2. 2 plus 8, 10. So the answer is 10,648. Cubing numbers ending with 0. So cube 3, that is 27. And then we put 3 0. So the answer is 27,000. Cube 5, that is 125. And then 3 zeros. The answer is 125,000. 7 cube, that is 343. And then 3 zeros. 9 cube, that is 729. Then we put 3 zeros.